Good morning, and let's look at the top 5 stocks to watch out for. Now, firstly, the pharma space is going to be quite active today. There's a lot of news coming in the pharma space, so I'm going to start with that. Starting with Cipla and Lupin. Now, Perrigo has voluntarily recalled albuterol inhalation. Now, this, which is a setback for Perrigo, is coming in as an unexpected positive for Lupin as well as Cipla. Now, both Lupin and Cipla had, Cipla had already launched the G Proventil in April 20, while Lupin is also set to launch G Pro Air in the next month, or this month is what is expected. So surely that's going to come in as a very positive for both these companies. And now what is the street expecting? What are the analysts saying is that it's building an around $40 million and $60 million sales in FY21 estimated sales for Lupin as well as Cipla. And assuming this $20 million incremental albuterol sales, there is an around 4 to 6% upside risk for FY21 EPS is what the analysts are saying. So that's something we're surely going to watch out for, especially in Lupin and Cipla. Now moving on to another pharma company, that's Dr. Reddy's. Here a positive news coming in as it enters into a settlement agreement with Clengen Corp and this is on the litigation related to cancer treatment drug that was Revlimid. Revlimid is the drug, so that is coming in as a very positive over there for Dr. Reddy's as well. And as a part of the settlement, Clengen will provide the company a license to sell volume limited amounts of generic drug. This generic drug, that's Revlimid, capsules in US from March 2022. So surely we're going to keep an eye out on all these pharma stocks today. Now moving on to some other sectors, we'll have Hindalco, which will be in focus as it has signed an MOU with Hindustan Copper, and this is for a long-term purchase and sale of copper concentrate produced by the latter, that is Hindustan Copper. So that's something we're going to watch out for, and both these stocks may be active in trade today. Moving on to the auto space, TVs Motors, it's expanding and strengthening its presence in Colombia, and it has announced the new distribution partnership with in Colombia with Autotecnica SAS. That's a Colombian company, where this company will have 50 dealerships exclusively for TVs Motor, and this will create a dedicated space of TVS brands in over 600 retail outlets. So very positive, very exciting. They're expanding their space, and surely we're going to keep an eye out on that. And lastly, Sterling and Wilson Solar has bagged an order in Chile, and this is for 106.71 megawatt of solar project. The total value of this project is around 460 crore rupees, and these orders are expected to start start the works and commence by Q4. So surely we're going to keep an eye out on Sterling and Wilson as well, and obviously when the project actually starts. Overall, all these stocks are the stocks that we'll be watching out for today when the market opens at 9:15.